In order to write a JavaScript code, we need an editor. You could use any text editor. There are plenty editors that we could use to write the JavaScript code, but my suggestion is definitely the Visual Studio Code. It's lightweight and very powerful. To download the Visual Studio Code, you should navigate to the code.visualstudio.com and download it. Additionally, I'm going to ask you to download the Node.js. This will help us to install some of the libraries that we can use it within our projects. So please go ahead and download these two. Once you download it, once it's finished, then come back to the video. Let's open the Visual Studio Code. And let's create a folder. Just type in a folder, not really important. The reason extension that I'm going to ask you to download is the live server. Just type live server. I already downloaded, so you should just click and install it. There is an additional setting that I like to set. My favorite browser is the Google Chrome, so I set the browser to Chrome, but you could set it to any browser you would like to. So once you download it and make your configuration, come back to the Explorer and create a file, an HTML file. Type exclamation mark, press tab. This will generate a basic HTML in order to us to write our HTML code. Press H1, tab, hello world, then save it. Right click on the HTML file, click it, open with live server, and ta-da! First example is here.